So today we're going over addition with decimals. You're going to use this in several places. I use this when I pay with my money because there's change. I use this for when I'm pumping gas, trying to get the most gas in the car. I used this morning when I stepped on the scale and found I'm 9 pounds down. Very excited, 9 pounds and 8 ounces to be exact. Decimals are everywhere, so we gotta learn how to use them. So there's some rules. Are you ready? Rule number 1 is stack your decimals. And I've helped you stack them on our worksheet that we're gonna do for the first few. And then I wanna see you guys stack them without me after that. Next, you're gonna put in your placeholders. Does anybody know what a placeholder is? What do you think, Carter?
A placeholder?
Yes. When you're working on this side of the decimal,
It's 0.
it's a 0. A 0 is a placeholder because 0 is
A 0.
nothing. Nothing. So it can hold that place. All right. After you get your numbers up here and your zeros in, you drop your decimal down. Lastly, you're going to add. So I will pass out the worksheets and then we will get started. Please wait for me, but I'd like your name and date and pencil down, please. And you guys might get another point. I think this is the quietest you've been all week. Owen, laptop in. Everybody have paper?
Yeah.
Name, date, and pencil down. Okay, so our first one today is 3.4 and 6.7. So what we do first, and I'll write it in green, is we stack our numbers because I've already got my decimals, so I can put them in easy. So the biggest number is 6.7, and then the smaller number is 3.4. Everybody got that on their paper?
Mm-hmm.
Nice job. Okay, now we're going to add. 7 plus 4 is 11. So one's going to go down and one's going to go up in the tens. Then we've got 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. And we bring our decimals straight down. So it is 10.1. Got it?
We have that.
Awesome. Next one, 12.8 plus 9. Does 9 have a decimal place on it?
No.
No, what do you think, Owen? I saw you raise your hand.
0. Put a 0.
Put a 0 where?
Behind the decimal.
Behind which decimal?
The bottom one.
Well, we don't have a top or bottom, so I should put one ahead of the other. Which one's our biggest number?
12.
12.8 is gonna go on top. And then what's gonna go on bottom, Owen?
9.
9, where?
On the bottom. On the right.
This side or this side?
Right.
The right side?
Left.
Left. And then what do we have to do to this side?
Put a 0.
0, why?
Because it's a placeholder and there's nothing there.
Yes, thank you. So 8 plus 0 is
8.
8. 9 plus 2 is
22.
11. 9 plus 2 is
11.
11. 1 goes down and 1 goes up. 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. We bring down our decimal. All right, you want to do the next one, Carter?
No, but last year, Miss, you tended to bring down the decimal straight away
Ooh,
before you do the problem.
ooh. Shall we try it that way? Walk me
That's
through it.
what-
No.
That's
no.
what
Okay.
I used to.
I don't like
Walk me through it. What do I do?
38.5 on the top.
38.5 on the top.
No, you need to put the decimal first. No, down. There, yeah.
Okay, now what?
And then the bottom one, 23.2.
And
Add.
Well, what do I do? Where do I start?
5 plus 2 is 7.
Okay.
8 plus 3 is 11. Is that a 6 or? Oh,
That's
a
my 2. I know they have the little loopies. I will try and keep my loops closed.
2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6.
Awesome. Thank you, Carter. All right. Couple more and then you're going to go on your own. Let's see. Charlotte, help me with number D. Letter D. Biggest number. Which one's the biggest number?
10.
10. Where does it go? 10 on this side or 10 on that side?
The left.
The left side. Yes. And then what do I have to put over here?
0.
A 0 to hold the plate.
That's, okay. And then,
A smaller number, and it is
0, 0 and 7.
oh, I'm gonna have to slide my board. All right. Now what do I do?
7 plus 0.
7 plus 0 is
7.
7. Now what?
Decimal point.
Put my decimal, bring it straight down. Okay.
And then,
This row next.
0 plus 0, which is 0.
Yep.
And then bring down the 1.
Awesome. Thank you, Charlotte. All right, Mika, help me with the next one. Yes. Biggest number is
The biggest number is 61.8.
61.8. Do I have that correct? Did I put it in the right spot?
Yes.
Awesome. Now what do I do?
Now you're going to put 47.5 down.
47.5 underneath.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm all done. It's good?
You need to add.
Oh, I need to add. So what do I do next?
So you're gonna add 8 plus 5, and that equals 13.
It does equal 13. 3 goes down, the 1 goes up.
Yep. And then you're gonna add 2 plus 7.
2
That's what
plus
I was doing.
7 is
9.
9. Then
You're gonna add 6 plus 4, and that equals 11. Or
6 plus 4. 6, 7, 8,
10.
10. There you go.
And then you can put down the decimal behind the 9.
Behind the 9. Oh, I like how you said that. Awesome job. One more person. Do I have another volunteer? Laura, help me out with F.
Okay, you put the 18 first,
18 first,
and then 4.8.
and then 4.8.
I think you put it on the wrong side.
What?
You put it on the wrong side.
Well, she didn't tell me where to put it, so I put it up there. What do I need to do?
Move the
You
18
put it on-
over.
You put it
Whoop.
on the other side.
You need to move the 18
Put it on the other side.
Put the 18 on the other side. Why?
Because
Because
you can't go to the right. You can only go to the left.
Because it's a whole
It's a whole number.
number. Make by 4 again. So what needs to be to the left of my decimal
A 0.
point for the whole number? A 0. Now what?
0 plus 8, which is 8,
Which is 8,
and 8 plus 4,
which is
10.
hold on.
Put the decimal up.
Move the decimal down, bring it down. Okay, and then what was 8 plus 4?
8 plus 4, 10.
Ooh, 8, 9,
12.
12. There we go. 1 goes up. 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Awesome job. All right, you guys, you have the choice on the next 6. I didn't put the decimals there. It's going to be up to you.